Hey guys, welcome to the channel. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. So let's go.
ठंडा पानी मत पियो. Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. अपने जूते पहनो. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? क्या खेल रहे हो? What are you playing? What are you playing? धीरे बोलो. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. बहस मत करो. Don't argue. Don't argue. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? स्कूल के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. अपनी कॉपी लेकर आओ. Bring your copy. Bring your copy. पेट भर गया क्या? Are you full? Are you full? इसे खो मत देना. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. क्या आपने अपने हाथ धोए? Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? अपना काम खत्म करो. Finish your work. Finish your work. आप बहुत समझदार हो. You are very smart. You are very smart. मेरा विश्वास करो. Believe me. Believe me. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आलसी मत बनो. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. कूदो मत. Don't jump. Don't jump. तुम गिर जाओगे. You will fall down. You will fall down. एक तरफ हट जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. थोड़ा हटो. Move a bit. Move a bit.
Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना.